Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. Hope you're all safe and fine at home. Today, we are going to revise note making and summary that you have already learned in class 11. Many students find it difficult to make notes and summarize. If you learn how to do, it is always going to be an easy process for you. Note making can be done in just 5 steps. Step 1. Read the passage from beginning to end. When you read the passage, try to grasp the gist of the passage. Ask yourself, what is it about? This will surely help you in finding the theme and subject of the passage. When you read it for the first time, never break it in the middle of the passage. Step 2. Read the passage again carefully and underline the main points. Step 3. Make a note of these main points. Step 4. Try to find out supporting ideas to the main points. This will form the sub-points as they supplement the main ideas. If any sub-points are there for the supporting ideas also, include that points under the supporting ideas. Points to remember. Underline the title. It should be a phrase. Title should never be a complete sentence. It should be a phrase. So what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words which does not have subject and predicate. Phrases will never have verbs. So always avoid using verbs in the title. Second point to be remembered, sentences need not be complete sentences. The third point, avoid using confusing abbreviations. Next, avoid using examples. A lot of examples will be given to explain a given content in the main passage. You can avoid using those examples and figurative speeches from the passage when you make notes. Then the last point to be remembered, most of the passages, I have already told you students, most of the passages given to you will be the pros and cons of the main theme. So try to include pros as one title and the disadvantages as the other title. So thus you can complete the notes. There are several formats or layouts to arrange the notes. Let me here explain one format for you. So this is one model or one format for arranging the notes. So in the first step, you read the passage from the beginning till the end without any break. Then you get the main theme. That main theme becomes the main title of the note. So that has to be written in the middle like this. And then in the second step, what you have seen is read the passage carefully to find out the main titles there. Whatever strikes your mind becomes the main title. So, and you were underlining the main titles, and that titles becomes the main titles here. It has to be numbered. So 1 main title has to be written here. That is going to be the first main title. That main titles will have supporting titles. That becomes a subtitle, and the subtitles has to be given A, B. And if any of these subtitles have subtitle, you have to give another indentation for that subtitle. So second main title has to be numbered like this, and the subtitles, see the subtitles in the same line. Main titles, they are arranged in the same line. Subtitles are arranged in the same line, and the subtitles comes like this. So So this is how you have to arrange the notes. When you arrange the notes, it should give a glance of what is there in a big passage. Say a glance. It should give a glance. Nobody should feel bored when they see your notes. So in a glance, they get a gist of what is there in a big passage. An example passage is given here for you to try out. Keep in mind, children, the 5 steps and the points to be remembered before you start doing it. Never be disheartened if you are not able to do it. Practice it and it will surely bring perfection in your work. Thank you, children.